Subscribe to Software Testing Mentor channel, learn latest technologies in software testing, test automation, testing tools, and much more. Hello friends, welcome to Jira training. This is Manish, and in this tutorial we will learn about stories in Jira. So before we get started about the demo and adding stories in Jira software, let's understand what exactly is a user story or story in Agile development. So a user story is a smaller requirement from user's perspective, or what an end user is looking for from the deliverable or from the software that you are working or you are developing. So any smaller requirement that comes from a user's perspective and can be defined in terms of user is a user story or a story in Agile development. The other key factor about the user story is that it needs to be in a granular format so that you can deliver it within the sprint. And sprint is nothing but a 2 to 4 weeks time-bound iteration to deliver the working software or to deliver the user story that you have picked within that particular cycle. So story comes under epic. So epic is a large chunk of work, and an epic might contain multiple user stories, and then you pick those user stories or some user stories out of that epic in particular sprint to deliver those stories as part of that sprint, and that cycle goes on until you have delivered all the user stories within that sprint. Now to demo how to add stories in Jira, it's pretty simple. You just log into the Jira software, click on create button at the top, and select the issue type. So you select the project for which you want to create a user story. So for example, you want to create a user story for Moomba app project. Select the issue type as story from this drop down and provide the summary. By default you will be the reporter, and provide the description. So description has to be in end user format or in terms of user's perspective, which explains what an end user is looking for as a working software from that user story. So after you have done with the description, provide the priority if that's a high priority story or medium or low. Provide the labels if applicable. So for example, there are certain labels or that particular user stories for the UI or for the backend, you provide those labels. And then if there are any relevant attachments which will be helpful, provide the attachments. If that user story is linked to particular issues, then provide that links and select the issues that it is linked to. Assignee will be the tech lead or the person who is owning that story for deliverable, or you can leave it to automatic so that dev lead can assign it to the person who is working on. And epic link is the link for the epic for which this story relates to. So for example, this story is part of which particular epic that you want to deliver. So you just select that epic, and then the sprint is the sprint in which you have picked this story to deliver. So you select the particular sprint, for example, the sprint number in which you are going to deliver this sprint. And the due date is basically, if you have any due date defined for this work to be completed, you can select the due date as well. So once you are done with all these, populating all these fields, just click on create button and it will create a story in Jira project. The next option is to go to the boards and click on the project board for which you want to add the user story. Okay, then select the epic. So for example, you see epics, so usually that's how you will get. So click on epic and select the epic in which you want to create a story. So for example, I have selected demo epic, and to create a story in this epic just click on create issue link here, and then define, just provide some description and click, and that story will get created. Now if you want to edit, or if you want to provide the details of this story, just hover in the right hand side, this dialog, this ellipsis, click on open create dialog, so it will open the dialog, create issue dialog, and then it's the same window for creating the story type. Provide all the details and then click on create, and it will create that particular story in the epic. So you can see that now demo story has been created, which is MOP44 in demo epic, right? So that is pretty much all about creating a story within the epic or in the Jira project. Hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.